Labella today marks the 84th year of Cebu City's charter. Thanks to Don Vicente Rama. We have come a long way, yet we continue to grow. Cebu City continues to be a work in progress. We all know that the past year had been a very challenging one. Our momentum was disrupted by a global pandemic never before seen in our lifetimes. We were wrapped in responding to COVID-19 and focused most of our energy in containing it. Every one of us was affected in ways we could have never imagined before. But if there's anything good that emerged from this pandemic, it is the Cebuanos' resiliency in the face of this crisis. This year, we celebrate Cebuano resiliency, a product of our faith and commitment to our community. I think this perfectly encapsulates not only this past year, but our deep and rich history. Señor Santo Niño has been an important pillar in our journey as we overcame trials and adversities. But the faith to the Almighty Creator transcends various forms and denominations. This interweaving of faith among us has made Cebu City steadfast, united, and resilient. Today's occasion pays homage to that. The contributions of all sectors of society, each with their respective roles to play, should be celebrated. So, ladies and gentlemen, my brothers Cebuanos, I thank all of you, especially to our awardees who went out of the way to serve our beloved city. I would also like to take this opportunity to express my profound gratitude to all our frontliners, especially in the healthcare sector, and the rest of our essential workers and public servants who have worked tirelessly throughout this pandemic to save lives. Dako kaayo ang akong pasalamat sa tanang mitabang sa city government sa pagkigbugno ni ining COVID-19 pandemic. Through our interwoven faith, we continue to propel Cebu City to greater heights. With this, I am happy to share with you what we have achieved thus far. The COVID pandemic underscored the importance of our public health sector. We constructed our very own Cebu City Quarantine Center for COVID-positive patients, which some or the IATF from Manila underscored and commented that this kind of facility is not found in any part of Metro Manila. And this Cebu Quarantine Center for COVID patients also houses a very important equipment, which are the new dialysis machines for residents with renal problems. Dialysis machines, 8 all of them. For more than 7 years, Cebu City Medical Center operated in a makeshift area just a block from its original location. Though the pandemic slowed down construction at CCMC, but before 2020 ended, we began accepting patients for outpatient services at the newly constructed building. Karon, atong gipaablihan ang unang tulo ka andana sa bag-ong building sa CCMC aron mas malapdan pa ang atong pagserbisyo sa atong katawhan. Labi na gayud kadtong mga kabus nang inahanglan og medical nga pagtagad nga wa intahoy ika-afford sa atong mga private hospitals. As we continue to open the floors, we are excited to develop it into a state-of-the-art public hospital. Our young people have also been affected adversely during this pandemic, with face-to-face classes suspended indefinitely since March last year. Mao kini nakapaaghat kanato nga mangita og mga pamaagi aron matabangan nato sila lakip na ang ilang mga ginikanan. Using the